In this video, I'll show you how to save messages on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational and content like this. Now, this works both on PC and on smartphones, right? So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. If you love to save messages on your Telegram, what you're going to do right now, you can select, let's say, from your preferred channel choice, anyone you want. I want to use this, right? So let's say I want to save this message. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on this. Right here you can see the saved message. Forward here to save. Now whenever you want to save a message on Telegram, you're going to see the saved message option. It would come out the first. So any message you forward right into that chat, right, it's going to automatically save here on Telegram. So I'm going to click on it. If I scroll up, right, exactly, so you can see my saved messages. This message I just forward right now has just saved right here in this saved messages option, right? So this is basically how you can save messages on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.